When KB5068861 fails with 0x800f0991, 0x800712, or 0x80073712, it usually means needed system or update files are missing, corrupted, or mismatched. The component store, WinSxS, is damaged, a required prior update or SSU is missing, the update cache is corrupted. Here are the solutions for these errors.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type netstop woo-serve. Type netstop crypt svc. Type netstop msi server. Type renc/windows/software distribution old. Type renc/windows/system32/catroot2 Type netstart woo serve. Type netstart crypt svc. Type netstart bits. Type netstart msi server. Type exit, and then press Enter. Restart your PC to apply the changes. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Type Exit, and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scano. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit, and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Click on I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if it resolved your issues. Now update your PC.